Hello my dears, welcome back to the math class. In the last class, we learned the different methods to find out the sum of 4-digit numbers. Today, we are going to discuss the word problems based on the sum of 4-digit numbers. Let's go to today's session. Look at this activity. Savings. Anu deposited 1400 rupees in June and 1650 rupees in July. Her friend Sanu deposited 175 rupees more than Anu in June and 75 rupees less in July. Find the total deposits of Anu and Sanu. Who deposited more? Anu deposited 1400 rupees in June and 1650 rupees in July. So, deposit of Anu in June was 1400 rupees and in July was 1650 rupees. Let's find out her total deposit. How do we find her total deposit? Just add 1400 and 1650. So, 1400 plus 1650. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. For 10, 0 here and 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 3050. Now, we get the total deposit of Anu. That is, the total deposit of Anu was 3050 rupees. Then, deposit of Sanu. Sanu deposited 175 rupees more than Anu in June. Students, how much was the deposit of Anu in June? 1400 rupees. So, the deposit of Sanu in June was 1400 plus 175. Next, 75 rupees less in July. That is, Sanu deposited 75 rupees less than Anu in July. Sanu deposited 75 rupees less than Anu in July. How much was the deposit of Anu in July? 1650 rupees. So, the deposit of Sanu in July was 1650 minus 75. So, let's find out her deposit in each month. At first, we have to find the deposit of Sanu in the month of June. To find out that, just add 1400 and 175. That is 1400 plus 175. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. And 1 is here. 1575. So, the deposit of Sanu in the month of June was 1575 rupees. Then, the deposit of Sanu in the month of July. To find out that, subtract 75 from 1650. That is 1650 minus 75. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No. So, we have to borrow 1 from 5. So, 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 5? 5. Can we subtract 7 from 4? No. So, we have to borrow 1 from 6. So, 4 becomes 14 and 6 becomes 5. 14 minus 7, 7. And 5 here and 1 is here. 1575. So, the deposit of Sanu in the month of July was 1575 rupees. Then let's find out her total deposit. To find out that, just add 1575 and 1575. That is 1575 plus 1575. 5 plus 5, 10. For 10, 0 here, 1 is to be carried in the tens place. 7 plus 7, 14. Plus 1, 15. For 15, 5 here and 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 1, 11. 11, 1 here and 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 3150. Students, how much was the total deposit of Sanu? 3150 rupees. So, the total deposit of Sanu was 3150 rupees. How much was the total deposit of Anu? 3050 rupees. How much was the total deposit of Sanu? 3150 rupees. Then, can you say who deposited more amount? Yes, Sanu. Because Sanu deposited 3150 rupees. So, we can say that Sanu deposited more amount. Okay. Then who deposited more amount? Sanu deposited more amount. Look at this activity. Sale. See, 1 week sale at the school store. Monday, 2040 rupees. Tuesday, 865 rupees. Wednesday, 2025 rupees. Thursday, 1890 rupees. And Friday, 2400 rupees. How much did they get in the first 2 days of the week? Which are the first 2 days? Monday and Tuesday. Monday, they get 2040 rupees. Tuesday, they get 865 rupees. So, the amount they get in these 2 days together, just add 2040 and 865. 2040 plus 865. 0 plus 5, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. For 10, 0 here, 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 8 plus 0, 8. Plus 1, 9. Then 2. 2905. How much did they get in the first 2 days of the week? 2905 rupees. How much did they get in the last 2 days of the week? Which are the last 2 days? Thursday and Friday. Thursday, they get 1890 rupees. Friday, they get 2400 rupees. How do we find the amount get in these 2 days together? Just add 1890 and 2400. 1890 plus 2400. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 4, 12. For 12, 2 here and 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. 4290. How much did they get in the last 2 days of the week? 4,290 rupees. How much did they get in the whole week? To find out that, let's add the amount they get in the whole week. Monday and Tuesday together, they get 2,905 rupees. Wednesday, they get 2,025 rupees. Thursday and Friday together, they get 4,290 rupees. Let's add this amount together. 2,905, 2,025 and 4,290. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. For 10, 0 here and 1 is to be carried in the tens place. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. For 12, 2 here and 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 9 plus 0, 9. Plus 2, 11. Plus 1, 12. For 12, 2 here and 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9,220. How much did they get in the whole week? 9,220 rupees. On which day they get the most? To find out that, let's find the largest number here. Which is the largest number? 2,400. They get 2,400 rupees on Friday. On which day they get the most amount? Friday. Write the amounts from smallest to greatest. That means arrange these numbers in ascending order. Which is the smallest number here? 865. So 865 comes at first. Next, 1,890. After this, 2,025. Then 2,040. And at last, 2,400. There is an exercise for you to do. Do this in your maths note. Today's class is over. Thank you.